Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily customize Samsung's One UI 7 on Galaxy A36. So, Samsung's One UI 7 introduced a range of customization options, which allows you to make your Galaxy device up to your preference. So here's how you can easily personalize your experience. So first, what you can do is customize the home screen and the widgets. So first, when we go to widgets, we will see here, after we add one, that now we can change its shape and how big it should be. As you guys can see here, we made it just like that. And now it's much faster. Now what else can we do? Wallpaper and style. Here we can change wallpapers or simply change the home screen. So let me change the wallpaper on home screen. Now what can we do is basically select the frame. Let's say this one. Here, as you guys can see, we can do that. Now we can also change the color of the background, or we can erase it. Now we can click done. And here, what else can we do? Let me show you. We can click suggest. And now look, we can make it suggest again until we find the one that we're looking for. Now, as you guys can see, we can click apply, and here we can also change the font and color. As you guys can see, we can also make it bold, and we can change the colors. Now click done. As you guys can see, now this is how our lock screen looks like. And it's pretty cool that they added this much of a customization because we needed that. Now, what else can we check is the newest Now bar and Now brief features. So let's go up to settings and now scroll down until you see lock screen and AOD. Now here we have the Now bar, and look, check this out. Here we have live notifications, just like iPhone, or we have media players and current modes. What can we do to check it is open up Spotify and start playing some music. Now, as you guys can see, now after we go back to our lock screen, here we have our Now bar. As you guys can see, here we can change its settings or we can remove it. Here we can change the songs or stop them or go to the previous ones. And here after we click it, we can of course open it more. Oh sorry, that's a Samsung wallet. As you guys can see, after we click on the icon here, we can open it. And I think that's pretty cool. Now what else can we check is the new AI enhancement for the camera. Just like, let me show you. I won't show it completely because it will take too much of your time and I don't want that. But first we have the super steady mode, where look, basically when we shake our phone, the video won't be shaky, as you guys can see. Or maybe it will shake a little bit, but not as much. As you guys can see, the stabilization is working. And what else can we check is if we are going to take a selfie. So first, click on the face here, and as you guys can see, we can add smoothness to our skin. We can add tone, jawline, and we can also add it eyes, and I think that's pretty cool. And I think that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.